What kind of bird is this? What is it called? I found this bird in my compound this morning. It was sitting on the ground without moving. When I tried to get closer, it only jumped forward instead of flying. I suspect it might be sick or injured. I lifted it onto this bucket cover to see if it would fly, but it just stayed there, staring at me. Do you perhaps know what this bird is called and how to care for it until it can fly away? It is a very beautiful bird, and I would be hurt to see anything bad happen to it. Please suggest how you think it can be cared for until it is strong enough to fly away. Please like and share this video, and remember to subscribe to Glimpse TV. Thank you for watching.